Alright, welcome back to the Ponix Haven. Before we get into this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot of exciting things going on here. I'm inside my greenhouse. I'm revamping my greenhouse. But anyway, we are going to show you the first look at the tower system that I've been working on. I've sent shots out, made a little short video on a little how I was going to somewhat build it. But this is the first look of it in action. I'm working on a video now of how I built it, and it will be out soon. So this is a look at it. So please like this video. It helps us, and just subscribe to our channel because there's a lot of things coming down the road. So without any other eruptions, just get into looking at these towers. See this tower? We are going to do either 3 or 4 running down this beam, and this is a 2x6. I may reinforce it so that to make sure that, but I believe the 2x6 will hold the weight of the 4 towers. But this is just one that I've got built. I'm working on another one, and I'm going to connect all of them together, and I'll have a valve up top, as you can see in the video, that I can turn them off and regulate the flow of the water. So I'm excited about this. So you got 26 plants in each one, so that's a whole lot of plants. It's 112, I do believe. No, it's 28. It's 28. Sorry about that. 28. So when you get it all together, I think it's 100 and I'm not going to do math on. It's over 110. So, but anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And so watch these other videos that are posted at the end of this video. One of my other towers that I have built. And thank you for watching. God bless you.